Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open Access mini screen using gesture. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Please scroll down. Now go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Scroll down, press on one-handed. If you want to open Access mini screen using gesture, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to open Access mini screen using gesture in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.